What's up, guys, and welcome back. So, as you can tell by the title, today is a video I'm so excited to be making, and I'm probably going to get so much hate for this, but I do not care because I love these shoes, and I have one of these shoes for so long. But if you know, you know. And I was like, I'm going to have to just wait until like the right opportunity comes along. Well, I received an email from Pacsun saying that they were going to be getting these in, and I literally was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So I started watching multiple videos on sizing, colors, reviews, like all that type of stuff because I was like, I want to order these. But with Pacsun, when you have like these types of products, just like the Fear of God Essentials, they do not let you return them. It is like, because it's such high demand, once it's yours, it's yours. You cannot return it. So I was a little bit nervous because I was like, okay, foam runners aren't necessarily that cheap. So if they don't work, what do I do? Because I'm not going to be able to get what I paid for them unless somebody like really, really, really wants them. And I could try to sell them through, Go or StockX. But that's just a whole lot of work that your girl didn't really want to go through if she could get the right pair and love them. So point blank, that was it. So I'm kind of just here to show you guys my excitement and what they look like. And all my friends hate these shoes. So this video is for y'all, but I love these and my son thinks they're really cool. So you know what? I have his approval. But anyways, yeah, let's just go ahead and get on into the video. Okay, so this is the box. It's very, very simple, obviously. I'm not real sure. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait and open these on camera because I got these like 2 days ago and I was in the shower when they came and my husband put the box on the bed and I literally screamed and pulled them out of the box and tried them on. So that was that. But it has a little sticker and this is the box. I'm not sure why there's a slit up here. That didn't really make sense to me. But then you open it and it says foam. So just to let you know, these run in men's sizing if you didn't know. So that was throwing me off a little bit because I know I can like my size in like little boys' shoes, but men's shoes, I have a really small foot. So I was a little bit nervous on what sizing to get. And I saw so many videos that said size up, size down, go true to size. And I was just like, okay, this isn't helping me because there's so many people that are saying size up and so many people that are saying size down. I would rather a shoe be a little bit too small than a shoe be too big, because if it's too big, I'm not here to play those type of games. Like if it's a little bit too small, I will deal with a little bit of toe pain. Like, not even kidding. But too big, I can't do it. So I saw this girl and she had this size. I got a size 5 in men's. I wear a 6 to a 6.5 in women's. So I got a size 5. That was the smallest size they had in this shoe. So I was like, okay, this has got to work. But a girl had taken measuring tape from toe to back, toe to heel, and it was like 9 inches, I believe. My foot is right at 8 inches from toe to heel. So I was like, okay, this is perfect because I'm not going to wear these without socks. I have the total intent to wear these with socks. So I was like, that'll give me just enough room to wear socks and be comfortable. So with that being said, I am so glad that I went with a size 5 and that I went down and I didn't go up, because these fit my foot absolutely perfect. So anyways, let's just go ahead and show you. This is the box. It says foam. And then you have the paper here. And ta-da! They're the ochre color, which I absolutely love, because if you follow me and you see a lot of like what I buy and what I wear, it is all these types of tones. Now on the website, these looked really, really dark, but in person, I love the color so much more in person than on the website. Because on the website, they kind of look like a puke brown, I'm not gonna lie. And then when I started watching videos on them, I'm like, oh, that's a really pretty like light tan color, which is what I would wear way more. So anyways, removing from the box, this is what they look like. And here's the bottom, and then they have the little Adidas in there. And I think that they are just so cute and they are so comfortable, and they are authenticated by PS Reserve. So you know that you're, not getting a fake pair. Because I almost bought these on Goat because they were like, Pacsun, they were $300. On which Pacsun has Afterpay, so I did use Afterpay to buy these, I'm not gonna lie. But Goat has Afterpay as well, or they have Klarna. They have some type of payment site. And I found these on there for, I think it was like $2.30. And so I was like, okay, if I could get them for $70 cheaper. So I was like, but something about Goat makes me nervous. I don't know why. So I started watching YouTube videos on people that had ordered from Goat. And, you know, there was a lot of half and half reviews. Like, some people were like, all I use is Goat. It's my sneaker go-to. Like, I will never use anybody else. And then a lot of people were like, their customer service sucks. They, you know, sent me a shoe that was dirty when it was supposed to be new. After you pay your taxes and fees, you end up paying like $70 to $80 more than what you thought you were going to pay. So I was like, you know what? I really don't want to go through the hassle of all that. So I'm just going to stick to Pacsun, and I'm just going to get them from there because I order from there all the time, and it's obviously, it's authenticated. So I'll just feel better knowing. I just had like a weird turn in my stomach about ordering from Goat. So if any of you guys have ordered from Goat, please let me know how it is and if you recommend it or if you don't recommend it or what your experience was, because Goat has a lot of shoes that I would like to order, but I feel sketch, kind of like StockX. I don't know. Those websites just make me feel weird. So anyways, this is what they look like. They are a size 5 in men's. So I will try them on and I will show you guys. Okay, this is going to be a little bit weird, but here we go. So this is what they look like, and I think that they are so cute. And as you can see, like, these fit perfect, and I have a little bit of, like, this goes up right here. So I think they are so cute, and literally the fit of these could not be better. They are so perfect. They hug my foot so perfect. My toe is not digging in. My heel has like plenty of room back there. And when I go up, my foot doesn't slide out like when a shoe is too big. When I walk forward, my toe doesn't go into the front. It's literally like the shoe was made for my foot. And I'm not probably going to wear like full-blown white socks with these. I'm not sure. I have specific outfits and colors in mind that I want to wear with these. But yeah, this is what they look like. And I will probably be wearing them a lot on my Instagram and uploading pictures in them because I have so many outfits that I want to wear these with, and I'm so excited to wear them for summer. And since I am such a person that likes to wear, I'm not a huge tennis shoe person, but I am a huge slides person. Like, I love throwing on a pair of slides. Like, I wear my slides all winter long just because I'm a sock person. I don't like being barefooted. I hate being barefooted. It grosses me out. It makes me cringe. I just don't. I hate it. Like, even being by the pool, at the lake, everything. Like, I will be barefooted, but when I have to walk on the ground, oh, it's so cringe. I hate it. So being able to have a shoe like this that's very airy that I can wear socks with instead of always just throwing on my slides. Anyways, I'm just really excited to have these. And yeah, so say what you will, but I think they're so cute. And I'm so glad that I finally have them. And I'm going to be living in them. So that is that. Anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video on them because I wanted to show them off. I'm not going to lie. I'm really excited about them. And in case anybody wanted to see or wanted to know sizing or what they look like or what my experience was. So yeah, anyways, I will have them linked down below if they are still available on Pacsun. I'm not sure. Pacsun is weird about their releases where even if they don't fully sell out, they just like take them off. I don't know what that's about, but I will link them down below. They did have other colorways too. So that's just the one that I wanted because I liked it the best. So yeah, anyways, I'll have everything linked down below. And I will also have my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Poshmark down below. So don't forget to go follow me over there. And don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you enjoyed it, or give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are. And I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.